Hi guys, what's up? Hope you're all doing great and welcome to the third episode of SQL for Data Analysis. In this episode, we're going to quickly start installing MySQL on our PC and then we're going to go through checking the user interface of MySQL. So let's get started. Okay, so first open up your browser and search MySQL. Then you're going to see MySQL website. Click on that. You're going to be led to the first page of MySQL website. In the header section, you're going to see downloads, right? Click on that and then scroll down until you're going to see MySQL community downloads. Click on that. So you're going to see some download links, but what we're going to do is actually installing two software. So the first one is MySQL Community Server, which is required for launching and installing a relational database on your PC. And the second one is MySQL Workbench, which is a graphical tool for interacting with server, which is actually user interface. So first, I'm going to install MySQL, and then it's going to ask you for selecting version, which is already selected on 9.0.1. I'm going to keep that, and then it's going to ask you for operating system. So I'm already using macOS. If you have Windows, it's okay. You can select that. The process of installing MySQL on macOS and Windows is going to be the same. So there's nothing new compared to each other. Just follow what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep macOS, and then it's going to ask you for select OS version. Click on all, and then you're going to see ARM, the first format, and the second is x86. So what is the difference between these formats? Actually, this one is designed for installing on mobile or on tablet devices, but this one is designed for PC. So if you want to actually use MySQL on your PC, you have to install x86, right? I'm going to download this one, and it's going to actually invite you for sign up. I said no thanks, just to start my download. All right, so while this is downloading, I'm going to get back to this page and then installing MySQL Workbench and this format. Yes. It's now downloading. All right, so now we've downloaded the both softwares that we need. This is the first one, MySQL Server. Just click on that. Wait a moment, and then you can simply install the first software. We're going to allow to access, continue. Oops. Continue. Yes, agree. Install for all users for this computer. Yes. Install my PC pass. Writing files. It's going to take you a while to be fully installed. All right, so next step, which is configuration, it's going to ask you for entering password. I'm going to actually enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is the very simple password, and click on finish. It's going to start performing initial database setup. Yes. So it's successfully installed on my PC. I'm going to close this tab. I'm going to install the next software, which is going to be MySQL Workbench for user interface interacting with the database. Just simply drag right here. All right, so I guess this one is installed completely. I'm going to close that, and I'm going to open MySQL, which is right here, MySQL Workbench. Open MySQL. Yes, you can see welcome to MySQL Workbench, and this is actually the first user interface of MySQL, and we need MySQL connections, which we install MySQL Server, and we're gonna open local instance, continue away, and it might be asking you for entering password. So I think considering that I've installed this one before, but I removed and I'm installing again, so it didn't ask me the password. So if you actually click on local instance, it's going to ask you the password. So this is the actually user interface of MySQL. I'm gonna make it full screen, and you're gonna see this tab, which we're gonna explain to you in the next episode. And I think it's gonna be enough for now. So in the next episode, we're gonna go ahead and start checking the user interface and dashboard of MySQL and everything you need to know for starting like working on MySQL. So see you in the next one.